on to some breaking news this hour. There are more allegations against Law Minister Ashwani Kumar a day after the Supreme Court slammed the government for political interference in CBI investigations. CNN-IBN learns that Ashwani Kumar was in touch with CBI Director Ranjit Sinha till Sunday, just about 2 days ago. Sources say the Law Minister was unhappy with the choice of UU Lalit as the CBI counsel and that he reportedly wanted PP Rao to argue on behalf of CBI in the Supreme Court instead of UU Lalit. Let's talk to our National Affairs Editor Bhupendra Chaubey for more on this big news that is now coming in. Bhupendra, it seems that the Law Minister's the kind of mess that he's in over this Colgate probe is only getting messier. Why was he insisting on a new lawyer for the CBI?
Well, the main allegation which is being leveled against the Law Minister in this entire case is that he was the one who was trying to influence the ultimate outcome of the investigations in the Colgate scam, and that's the reason why he was constantly in touch with top officials of the CBI. Now, what we have learned from our sources is that even as late as this Sunday, which is exactly 3 days back, the Law Minister had made an attempt to speak directly to the CBI Director, and he had asked him specifically that there should be a particular lawyer, and that lawyer was PP Rao, according to the Law Minister, who should be representing the CBI. The question immediately which comes to mind is that why should the Law Minister be interfering with a process which is completely being handled by the CBI? That too, when the Law Minister himself is facing the heat, he is facing questions about whether he was in any ways involved in changing the final report in the Colgate scam. Once again, what this input proves is that the Law Minister perhaps was over-exceeding his brief, perhaps was crossing that red line which needs to exist as far as segregation of responsibilities of the Law Minister and the CBI Director is concerned.
Yes, Bhupen, of course, a lot of questions on the Law Minister's role, but once again, it doesn't just end with the Law Minister.
And we must add here that when we tried to get an official confirmation on this from the CBI side, there was no official confirmation on that, but then there was no denial as well. What this ultimately leads to is that one after the other, you're seeing a series of steps which were taken either by the Law Minister or by officials in the Coal Ministry or the Prime Minister's office, who were all feeling very, very edgy about the kind of steps, about the kind of report which was being prepared by the CBI. The million-dollar question is that why were all these officials so edgy? Why is it that the Law Minister thinks in terms of who should be representing the CBI only in this case? Does he have similar inputs to offer also in other cases? That's the fundamental point, and these are questions which are now going to be answered by the CBI when the CBI Director himself files an affidavit on the 6th of May before the Supreme Court.